nyumbani na hata mashambani.
Justice Simon Byabakama uri kurira ekitongore ekiri kuteeza obururo mu ihanga yagamba ebi obu yabanabuganaho n'abebembezi b'ebyanga omuchayi ekyasaza ekiri kushanga omu municipality eya Kisoro. Ogu nagira ngu iteeka lya Uganda erya 81 omu constitution y'ihanga niribahereza okugira ngu omuntu omwanya gwaheza kuza mu busha ninga sho omuntu akafa ninga karekurira omuhandiki w'ishengyero n'abahandikira omu 2010. Justice Byabakama yagira ngo 2015 ebyokwezi 11 abakisoro nibaza kwa batungire omunyishengyero kazi ahabwa district age,
which means calm rain or sunshine.
Bimenyesha ngo imvura igwa nangwa izuba riva
By 15th November.
Imisi 15
the people of Kisoro district should have a new woman member of parliament.
Ogu yayongera yagira ngo harona n'indijo myanya mukaga eyababire bari mu ebyo butegeki aba local government abafire nkani n'abandi bakarugamo umwena n'entebezo nazo nibaza kureba ngo hazamo abebembezi.
So those are the 6 positions for at local government level plus 1 member of parliament. Those are 7.
Iyo ni myanya 5.
Ogu yagira ngo nibaza kuhandikisa hagati y'ebiro 30 na 31 rero batandike kushijuma omu bitabo.
Bizabaho imisi 30 hamwe n'imisi 31 y'ukwezi kwa 10 muri uyu mwaka
at the office of the returning officer,
ku ofisi z'iby'amatora hano Kisoro.
Ogu yashaba abanyakisoro hamwe na nabo abesimbire okugendera ahabiragiro.
Urge all people of Kisoro to follow the law and the guidelines the commission will be issuing concerning this by-election.
Okurijirira ahari Daniel uri kukurira ebyo bururo mu district ya Kisoro abantu abaratera karuru nibingane emitwaro 16 2532 bitu na jango mbare gwabo nigubasa kweyongera.
22 polling stations and 162,532 registered voters as of today, because tomorrow we are starting registration again, so the land is going to change. That one you don't need to run me.
I believe that with the foregoing picture, the Electoral Commission and the stakeholders here present, far and wide, should be able to embrace the opportunity that these by-elections present in leveraging on lessons learned in conducting elections in a hard-to-reach area such as Kisoro.
Abamweho mbari kwenda kwayahanira entebe yo munyeshenjero owa Kisoro basima kachiko ahabo kubateraho roadmap yo kutera akaruru kandi baraganisa okugendera ahamateka. Rose Kabagenyi owabireho omunyeshenjero kazi wa district ya Kisoro yagira ngo naza kwesimba ngo kandi bamuho bururu naza kucumbukura ebisara yasigiro mu muhanda.
Abafumbira turi abantu barwanishaka, abantu babakozi, abantu bifagaho, abantu mbese bingoga bibeshejeho. So abo bari kuzana agoma cyakubiri bari gutandukanya abafumbira bagendereye ku moko, bagendereye ku madini. Nagasabye ngo buri muyobozi wese ahari ibyo bintu byamaganye,
ariko batwongeyeho iyindi minsi 10 nangasi bakavuga ngo niba bavuze ngo tuzatangira nk'iminsi 18 yakura kwezi, bakavuga ngo kadutangire bagakendeza ku minsi. Ibyo nibyo byabirakora buri munsi tukamugeraho.
Nishimye umunsi kugera kuri uyu munsi kuba ngo turenda gutora woman MP wa Kisoro. Nisimbyeho ndi kubasaba mu mpubururu kandi nihayeyo gukorera abafumbira bose.
Kongeye kugushimira abantu bose baturutse impande zose za
Amakuru gashakwa Adonia Thaire hawa Sky TV omuri Kisoro.